I got also very fancy. So I just gone through your and quickly introduce.
Thank you, sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity. I am Gautam. I am coming from Salem. I am currently staying in Bangalore, and I completed my graduation in GB Institute of Technology, which is located in Coimbatore. And in my college days, I have done many projects. In final year project, I have done border detection of the analytic system, which is very useful for fishermen, and it is used for many people, which is cost efficiently. It will avoid disaster from the people which rescue for the fishermen in the fishing time due to the border detection and weather alerting system, sir. And at the final year, I got placed in my campus, and I placed in core company, which is NCR Corporation Private Limited, which is located in Chengalpet, and I worked nearly 6 months. And after, due to the interest in my IT, I switched into IT field. Currently, I start my IT career with Linux, and I gain more knowledge about Linux, and I switch after the upgraded Linux. I switch cloud, and after that, I have learned the Kubernetes and Devops all. And now I am currently searching jobs for the Devops. Thank you.
So I can see that you know about Kubernetes. So can you say what is Kubernetes?
Yes, sir. Kubernetes is an open source platform, which is a container orchestration platform. It is used widely world, and it is founded by the Google. And it is Kubernetes is very useful for deploying an application, which is very helpful for developers.
So can you explain about Kubernetes architecture?
Yes, sir. Kubernetes architecture is mainly two types. One is master node, and one is worker node. Mainly master node, which is the core of the Kubernetes cluster, sir. We combine of these two nodes, we call the cluster in Kubernetes. Master node, it will have the components like API and etcd and control manager and control manager and API server, sir. And in worker node, it has kubeletter and kubeproxy and control manager.
You can explain these various components.
Yes, sir. In API server, which communicate between the worker node and the master node, which are all communication with the core component of the Kubernetes cluster is in worker node. There is API server, etcd, and control manager, sir. And control manager is used to control the overall cluster, which is in every node and part communication services are control manager is monitor, and etc store the information of each nodes and parts, and every communication will be stored in the etc. And API server is the main of the core of the cluster, which is used to communicate between the worker node and the master node. And in worker node, there are three types, which is kubeletter, kubeproxy, and device manager, sir. In a kubeletter is used to communicate the which part and communication between the worker node and the master node, sir. And kubeproxy, which provides the network from the external traffic, which is used to communicate the service between the worker nodes. And in the other node is one is used by worker master node, which is called a scheduler, which is schedules the parts which schedule and which node it is exactly scheduled by the schedulers.
So can I say about replicas?
Yes, because it is used in deployment, which is used to monitor the unhealthy parts and change the desired part to the desired, and we can scale the replicas as well as we need. It is used in application, which is highly used applications.
So what is the difference between deployment and replicas?
Yes, sir. Deployment is basically used for normal deployment and application, which is we can use to upgrade the version and roll back and roll out is called a deployment. This stateful set is used for when a user accesses the application. It used to store the information of the users with the background database, which is used for the stateful application. In that, every part uses a unique PVC and PVC, which basically part is ephemeral in nature. Even though card is deleted, it has a unique ID, so that it will recreate with the same ID, so that the data will be same.
So explain the concept of namespace.
So namespace is one of the deployment we can specify the namespace, which you can basically for an example in an industry there are developer team, testing team and developer team, testing team and many production team like that. Each team they are providing different applications. For that confusion we do specify the namespace for each application, which could be identified easily with the through namespace.
So what are the services in Kubernetes and what are the types?
So services, there are many services in Kubernetes. One is internal service and external service. Basically, internal service in the cluster, we use the cluster API, which is used to communicate between the pod and pod communication. And basically, the external services, there are many external services used to load balance, node port, and ingress. There are many. These are the external services.
So can you say about persistent volumes and persistent volumes?
Yes, sir. PV, PVC, they are shortly terms, and PV is explained for the which it is to maintain by the storage admin of the team, which if we need any storage of the record for the parts and the nodes, we should request a team for the we should request a team and we should get them storage. It basically defines the if we first we want to create PV, then we want to create a PVC, and next the PVC is used to do create by a user or who are the developers. It is used to when a PVC is created, automatically it will create a PV. At the simultaneously it will create a PV.
So automatically it gets wrong.
So it will be when PVC is created, it will simultaneously create a PV.
So what's the difference between horizontal pod autoscaler and vertical pod autoscaler?
So, the name is basically scaling is there are two types. One is manual scaling, one is auto scaling. The horizontal and vertical is come with the auto scaling, which is used to deploy an auto scale method. For example, if a Flipkart is accessing a big place, it resource of the user is more availability so high at the time of the 12 At the time when the pod is the we set a pod to the resource and limits to the pod. At the time horizontal pod scaling will apply. When the user is more availability, automatically the pod will increase as much as user is incoming. And the vertical pod scaling is it will not increase the pod, it will increase the each pod resources. It is the difference between explain.
So what is the use of taint and tolerance in Kubernetes?
Yes, sir. Taint and tolerance is used to schedule the node, schedule the pod in the specific node. Basically, taint is only scheduled. Taint was set in the specific node. Tolerance is set in the pods. If the taint and tolerance is matched, then the pod is scheduled on the specific node. Even though if you execute the pod without that tolerance, it will schedule which the nodes have no taint, it will schedule on the pod. In the taint, there are three types tolerance. Three set: preferred no schedule, and no execute, and